If you guys have been following along, this is my 98 RST swapped GC8. I'm going to attempt to get the door wiring done today, and I'm going to also go over some of the wiring I've already done as far as the headlights and the taillights. So yeah, let's get started. So all the wiring is from the 05 STI, and I'll show you guys how I wired up the taillights. It was actually pretty easy because all these wires matched from the GD to the GC chassis. I can go over some of these wires here and let you guys know which ones do what. The brown and yellow wire is your reverse. The red one is your running. The green one is your turn signal. The white one is your brake lights. It's the exact same on this other side over here. Still uses the stock GC plug here. I just cut off the GD plug and put this one on. Everything works back here the way it should. The front's a little more complicated. 05 and up had a ballast setup for the front headlights. The GC uses a singular bulb for the brights and the low beams. The only thing I haven't got working in this front section is the high beams. It does have the stock connector here for the GC. I just took the old connectors off of the GD model and I just put them right into this. You'll see this white one here is probably my brights. I'm sure I'll figure it out, or maybe one of you guys have done this swap and you can let me know in the comments what you guys did to get the brights working. I think it's like a green wire or something I have to tap into. I just haven't cared enough because I got plenty of other stuff I need to be working on. The windshield wipers, all those wires matched as well as far as the color coding, so you just chop them. That's really the only wiring I've had to do on this car. Everything else has been plug and play, which is why I wanted to swap the complete harness instead of having a custom one built. Start working on the passenger side door harness, and then next week we should have our interior kit ready. Slow and careful with this plastic, you'll be able to reuse it. This plastic helps with road noise and also acts as a vapor barrier, keeping moisture and dust out. If we want our power doors to work, this is the connector from the GC, and the one on the left is the connector from the GD, so you can see they're kind of different. This one's definitely a little burnt. I think it did work prior to the swap. I'm gonna cut this, use soldering connectors to connect it to this one. Since these doors are much longer than the sedan, I'll cut the connector off, leaving at least 6 inches to reach the door lock actuator. These look pretty good, I guess. Plug it in, go do the other side, and then we'll see if they work. Plug this in and see what we got. See if the locks work. Yeah, it works on this side. Looks like it's working on that side too. Alright, well now we know it works. Let's wrap up our repair jobs. Nothing got moved around while we were doing that. Seems good. I'm gonna call it there for today. Hopefully you guys learned something. I got a little bit of a surprise next week for the rear of the car, so tune in then and see what happens.